यद्यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठस् तत्तत् एव इतरो जनः स यत् प्रमाणम कुरुते लोकस्तत् अनुवर्तते. Hello friends, this is the 21st shlok of the third chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and today we will understand this shlok in detail. So let's first go over its meaning. So the shlok says, Yadyat acharati, which means in whatever way conducts, Shreshtas tat tat eva itaro janaha, which means the best, that certainly the rest of the people, sayat pramanam kurute, which means that which he sets up as certified, lokas tat anuvartate, which means people follow that. So in this shlok, Shri Krishna is telling Arjun that the manner in which the superior person behaves, in the same manner the people who are common also behave, and whatever behavior is certified as a good behavior by the actions of the superior person, similarly the common people also follow that. So the idea basically is that all the people who are the common people in a society, they follow what is done by the ideals of that society. So a person who is considered as an ideal in a society, common people follow him. So this is a very common idea. I think we see that happening all the time, all around us, where we in our society have ideals, we have people who set up the trends and then people follow them, and that is how the values in a society are built up. So this is one of the ways through which the values in a society are actually cultivated, and the powerful people actually make good use of it. So if the powerful people want to amplify certain properties and decrease the values of some other things, then what they do is basically they start promoting certain people who have certain values that they want to promote in the popular culture, and as they rise in the popular culture, people start following them, and that is how the values of a society are built up. So we can understand this quite well from the example of how the ideals that have been kept up in the Indian society have changed over time. So the time since I was a kid and the time now, I can clearly see that there are certain personalities who have increased in popularity while there are others who have decreased in popularity, and based on that we can then see how the values of the society have changed. So when I was a kid, people such as Mahatma Gandhi, Ashok, Buddha, Mahavir and Akbar, they used to be quite popular, and I think they are still popular, but their popularity has gone down since then. Similarly, there are people such as Veer Savarkar, Swami Vivekanand, Maharana Pratap, Shivaji, whose popularity actually has increased since the time when I was a kid to now. So this clearly shows how the values of the society have actually changed from the socialist values now to the nationalist values. So this whole thing has happened because of the social situations also, but to a certain extent it has also happened because of the powerful party which is present in the country. Since now nationalist party is in power in India, that's why these ideals, these personalities have been amplified more, while those personalities are decreasing in their popularity. And also then there is the social change also that has happened over time. We have seen how the nationalism as an idea has increased in all the places, in all the countries. You can see that this whole idea is now increasing. So because of the environmental situations, because of the changing values in one society, the values of different societies also change. But one thing is for sure, that if you really want to know the values of a certain society, then the best way to do that is to really look at their ideals. So you can look at how the ideals that have been pumped up in Pakistan are the people who were basically Muslim invaders who have defeated Hindus. So basically, Ghazni is their ideal, Gauri is an ideal, Babur, Abdali, these kind of people. Or you can say the people who amplified Islamism. So, for example, Aurangzeb is an ideal for them. So, based on these ideals, you can clearly see that the values of that particular society is to militarily defeat India. And so, no matter whatever they say, whatever they say that, oh, we want peace with India, we want peace with India, based on the ideals that they have, it's clearly evident to us what their mentality is, what their values are, what they really want to do. They really want to be confrontational. So, this is how things work. So, basically, Sri Krishna is saying that whatever is the ideal, people generally follow them, and whatever is set as a certified action by that ideal, people will follow that particular action. And so it is very important for you also as a person to choose the ideal very correctly, because then that ideal is whom you are then going to follow, and so your behavior and your values are going to be affected by that. So that is what is the message of this shlok. I hope that I have explained this shlok well to you. With that, I will close this video. I will see you all in the next video. Take care.